Here we are going to learn about optical component switches. An optical switch is a device that selectively switches optical signal from one channel to another channel. The switching can be temporal or spatial. Optical switching are used in optical network for variety of applications. One application of optical switches is the provisioning of light path from one channel to the another channel. The switching time required is on order of the few milliseconds according to the types of the switches. An optical switch may operate by mechanical means such as physically shifted optical fiber to drive one or more alternative fibers. In these applications, the switchings are used inside wavelength cross connects to reconfigure them to support new light paths. The switches are replaced by or replacement for manual fiber path panels but with significant added software for end-to-end network management. So here we are consider one example like that one path is there, so one three part is available and the signal is transmitted to the second part. So the channel is from 2 number to the 3 number. So here is the light is input and output from the 3 number. So this is a light input and the light output and direct light switch from 2 number to 3 number. Another important application is that for protecting switching for the signal from different directions. So why fiber switches? So using fiber switch has many benefit over conventional copper switch. The fiber layer which is used in optical switches is mostly static. This means that optical switch cabling needs to be done once only and can be reconfigured remotely without the need of patching or manual intervention. Optical switches reduces the cost, power usage and electrical conversion delays which create a transparent path with near zero latency. Switches are also important component in the high-speed optical packet switched network. So in case of large optical switches, switches with the port count ranging from few hundred to the few thousand for input to output various connections. A single central office handle multiple fibers with each fiber carrying several tens to hundreds of wavelengths. Large switches are made by using a multiple switch elements in some form or the other. So create a multiple switching element. So two types of mainly switching, blocking or non-blocking. So a non-blocking is an unused input port can be connected to any unused output port. A non-blocking switch is capable of realizing every interconnections pattern between the input and the output. If some interconnection patterns can be realized, the switch is said to be blocking switch. So 4 cross 4 crossbar or 8 cross 8 crossbar for multiple connections. So in the case of diagram is n cross n switch is there. So from 1 cross n at the input side and n cross 1 for the output side. So first define the 1 cross n box. So in the 1 cross n, I'm considering the 1 cross n is the 4 output, 1 4. So here the input is 1, it is passed to either 1 output, 2 output, 3 output or 4 output. Or in the case of n cross 1 box, many of output will pass to the in the input size like 1 2 out, 2 2 out, 3 out and 4 out. So basis on that, so many type of applications or so many types of optical switch technologies are there with the size switching time like. So I'm just considering example like first one, bulk mechanical switch. So in this case of the size of the switch is 8 cross 8 and the switching time is 10 milliseconds. Second is MEMS or 2D MEMS. So size is 32 cross 32. 32 cross 32, and the switching speed is same as for previous case, 10 milliseconds. Consider the example third is a liquid crystal polymer. So in the case of the speed, the switch technology is 2 cross 2, and the time limit and the speed is switching time speed is 4 milliseconds. And I'm considering the last one SOA. So the range of speed means cross connect is a 4 cross 4, and the speed timing speed or switching time is very less, 1 nanosecond. So compared to all previous is a less time.